Right, so like we're going down this sketchy trail real quick. We just want to see where we can go. It's definitely leading to like certain plants. I just don't want a bunch of spiders on me. I don't want spiders on me. Yeah, it is. Look, it goes all the way down there.
Do you think this is the trail? I mean, this is a legit trail. Do you want to go down? How steep is it?
I mean, it's steep, really steep right here.
I'll slide down on my butt.
I mean, I don't want to slide down on mine. It's not worth booking a joint over. I mean, look how steep it is right there.
I'll do it. If I go, that means you have to go.
Yeah, I don't want us to hurt ourselves, so I don't know if we should do it. I don't want to get in trouble either.
I think we should go down a little bit more. I'm gonna regret this. Oh my god. Do we want to go back? Back?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not the trail we want. It was a great idea, but that's not the one we want. No, we're gonna go find another one. There's a few more up this way. I wonder if they're not as steep. Not as steep.
Got it.
You seen that footwork? Alright guys, so we just went down kind of a sketchy trail. And now we're gonna go find a different sketchy trail. Alright guys, some blackberries fresh off the vine here. So you guys can see they're all over the place. What deer? That one was really sweet. Looks like she found some more down here. So, she's just eating them. Anyway, so we're gonna, well, I guess eat some more blackberries.
I think there's a waterfall over there.
Right there. Alright, so we came across a little waterfall. It's kind of nice. Boom. Alright, so do we go this way? See, we're at this point where we're at the waterfall, or do we go back this way?
This is the way that we know and trust because we've been that way before. That's how we got here. This way is a risk, but it could save us time and it needs more adventures. We've already seen this path. This is more exciting. This is new, so we have to decide between the two, and I told her she has to choose and I won't be mad no matter what happens for which one she picks. And I promise that.
So we're going on a new adventure.
So here we go. It's gonna end like right here, watch. That'd be funny.
Well, look, there's a trail right there.
Do you wanna go up? It looks like, kinda looks like it tapers off.
Oh, you know what it goes up to?
The barn. Do you want to go up there?
That's that steep adventure that we went on in the beginning.
I feel like I could go up it.
All right, you want to just turn the corner over there so we can see, so YouTube can see where they are. It sounds like that's where those guys are over there. Voices coming through right there. It's kind of cool. So we watched Naked and Afraid last night. Well, I did. What'd you think of what you saw?
I didn't see very much. Okay.
It was kind of cool. Well, it's just a big circle.
We have to go up that.
Okay.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Alright. Looks like people party out here.
Yep.
She doesn't want to be in the video yet. She's in front of me. Wrong. I can't film. You're right in the shot. Hey, look. Look. There's another path right there. Honey. Alright. Well, here we go. Up this path. She's way up there. So guys, we did a pretty cool vlog for the day. I just had a fly or something. Is that steep part? I think you just got in the video. Water source right up there too.
We're so close we can't turn back.
There's no way. You go. Here, you should have taken the camera. I don't know if I can be as badass as you were. Oh, badass. I was a badass. Oh, I was a badass. I had no hands. No hands. Alright, well now we know this trail. I don't know about going down it. All of a sudden there's people. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right now. We're gonna get some water. We're gonna head back to the house. I don't know if it's over yet or not.